Welcome to the world premiere of the all-new Kona by Hyundai Motor Company. Today, we will be introducing the upscaled multiplayer in the BSUV segment, led by an all-electric variant that offers advanced safety and convenience features, and class-leading range. The second-generation Kona offers one of the most comprehensive product packages in the BSUV segment, including the widest range of powertrains. Customers can choose from EV, hybrid electric, and internal combustion engine variants as well as sporty N-line versions of each. In an unconventional move, Hyundai Motor developed the new Kona as an EV first, in line with the company's March 2022 accelerated electrification strategy announcement that will bring 11 new Hyundai EVs to market by 2030. According to Jae-hoon Chang, president and CEO of Hyundai Motor Company, Kona Electric will play a major role alongside our Ioniq models in reinforcing Hyundai's EV leadership. The new model builds on the great reputation of the first-generation Kona Electric and is designed and engineered to lead the competition with its many outstanding features. With its rugged, dynamic design and upscaled dimensions, the all-new Kona retains its iconic character, supporting active lifestyles for customers of all ages and generations, while offering new technologies and convenience features that provide a safe, connected, and comfortable experience. Among the upgrades are dual 12.3-inch panoramic display screens, a digital key 2-touch, full over-the-air, OTA, updates, and connected car navigation cockpit, CCNC. Kona Electric delivers class-leading all-electric range, air, in the BSUV segment, WLTP estimated 490 kilometers. It also comes with EV-specific design elements, including frunk storage, active air flaps, interior and exterior vehicle-to-load, V2L, outlets, head-up display, HUD, iPedal driving mode, smart regenerative system, electronic active sound design, EASD, and an eco package. The all-new Kona hits the ground running with Hyundai's SmartSense Advanced Driver Assistance System, ADAS, and safety systems, including Level 2 autonomous driving, forward collision avoidance assist, FCA, blind spot view monitor, BVM, remote smart parking assist, RSPA, and driver status monitor, DSM. Compared to the previous generation Kona, the new model has unique proportions with increased dimensions. Based on the EV variant, its length is now 4,355 mm, 175 mm longer than the previous generation in 2017, with a wheelbase of 2,660 mm, which is 60 mm longer. Its width is 1,825 mm, which is 25 mm wider, and the height is 20 mm taller at 1,575 mm. Thank you for joining us today at the world premiere of the all-new Kona by Hyundai Motor Company.